Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi Samir. Good morning.
Okay. So, what was the last topic we have seen? We've discussed it.
Sorry, sir. What did you say?
Last topic. Last topic.
Last topic. We did not complete that case study. That is read and write the data from Azure SQL DB.
We have done it. We have done it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then I must have missed some.
Yeah, the same activity we have done in ADLS, one page to one notebook to other notebook. How
We have completed that. Yes,
Yeah. So insert, delete in one page. Also updation is some other page.
I think blob to blob using direct connection we have done. Using SAS token also we have done, and using the ADLS Gen 2 auth and direct connection also we have done. Am I right?
Yes, Samir.
And reading and writing data from Azure SQL database is also done now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that was the same thing what you said just now. Just a minute. Okay, guys, today we'll start with the reading and writing data to the Snowflake. Okay. Reading and writing.
Please share this screen.
Yeah, just a minute, sorry. Reading and writing data from Snowflake. Sorry, Snowflake. Okay, so just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back. Okay, 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry. So let's start now. So now we'll start with the reading and writing data from the snowflake. So now, guys, snowflake. What do you mean snowflake? So basically, I'm using a case study here. Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Title. So now, guys, what is a snowflake, guys? Any idea about the snowflake? Snowflake. Okay. Yes, guys. Any idea? Anybody? Okay, I'm just no issues. I'll tell you.
It's
Okay.
a cloud-based data warehouse.
Yes, cloud-based data warehouse is a snowflake. So okay, we can say that snowflake is a cloud-based. Okay, what is that? Cloud-based data warehouse. Cloud-based data warehouse. Okay, cloud-based data warehouse. Cloud-based data warehouse. Okay, which is designed for guys, which is designed for decision making, which is designed for what? Decision making, which is designed for what? Decision making purpose. Okay, which is designed for decision making purpose. Okay, guys, and one more point. Snowflake supports supports shared nothing architecture. Shared nothing architecture. Okay, it supports the Snowflake supports the shared nothing architecture. Okay, and this is a decoupled architecture, guys. Snowflake architecture, guys. Everyone is, I'm audible, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so Snowflake architecture. Okay, Snowflake architecture. What is it? That is it is a decoupled architecture. It is, what is that? Decoupled architecture. Decoupled. Okay, decoupled. Okay, Snowflake. Snowflake. What is that? Snowflake is a Snowflake or has, what is a decoupled architecture? Decoupled architecture, guys. So decoupled architecture. So now, decoupled architecture means what, guys? Compute and storage. Compute and storage are independent. Compute and storage. Okay, if you increase the storage, you need not. That is nothing but you need not change. You need not make any changes on the compute, guys. Okay, storage. Okay, storage and compute are independent of each other. Okay, so now, guys, independent here. That is called as what? Decoupled architecture. Wherein,
Sir,
yeah, tell
excuse
me.
Sir, what is this shared nothing architecture?
Pardon me.
What is this shared nothing architecture? Hearing about it the first time now.
See, basically, when it comes to this, the architecture, shared nothing is a different architecture where, you know, I'll explain you that point just a minute, because I have to tell one more thing before that. I'll tell you what is shared nothing architecture. Okay, just give me some time. Okay, now, guys, basically, okay, so here we have, what is that? These are some 3 points. That is nothing but Snowflake, as you know, it's a cloud-based data warehouse, or you can say database. Okay, you can also say, what's it? Database or data warehouse, which is designed for a decision making purpose. Okay. And then Snowflake supports the shared nothing architecture. So what is this shared nothing architecture? I will tell you just a minute. And before that, what is it you have it? Snowflake has a decoupled architecture. Snowflake has what is a decoupled architecture, guys. So basically, okay, it has the decoupled architecture. So decoupled architecture means what? Compute and storage, both are independent here. Okay. Next, now let us see here, first of all, when it comes to this, okay. Okay, so now basically, okay, so all of you, okay, so guys, let's try to create the Snowflake account. Okay, and now as you know that it follows a decoupled architecture. Now, what about the that is the Azure Synapse? Does it follows the decoupled architecture? It is a coupled architecture. Yes, guys. Azure.
Sure, sir.
Azure is also decoupled architecture. Only coupled architecture is Redshift. Amazon Redshift has the coupled architecture. Getting my point?
Oh, okay.
Only Amazon Redshift. Redshift is the database of Amazon, guys. Okay, that is nothing but okay. Okay. Basically, I'm writing it here. Only one you have, that is called as what? Redshift. Amazon. I'm writing the point here. Amazon is a has coupled architecture. Coupled architecture. That means if you increase the storage, compute also need to be increased. If you increase the compute, storage now need to be increased. Okay, that's the thing we have it. So that is called as what? Coupled or decoupled architecture. So Amazon has a coupled architecture. And what is the product of Amazon? It is Redshift. Okay. And what is the data warehouse in Azure, guys? Synapse. Getting my point? Synapse is the data warehouse in Azure. Okay. So now, okay, what was the thing left out now? Now, what is this? Supports the shared nothing architecture. See, basically, shared nothing architecture is nothing but, I'll write one more point on this. Shared nothing architecture. So, okay, point, I'll write a point so that you will shared nothing or supports shared nothing architecture. Okay, shared nothing architecture is basically, okay, is basically distributed computing. Distributed computing architecture. Distributed computing architecture. Which or else we can say in which, okay, in which each request, okay guys, in which each request satisfies, or each request is satisfied by a single node. That means by a single node. Node means what, guys? A single node means what? Machine. Okay. Each request is processed by what's it? A single node. Single node means what? A single machine. Okay. Each request satisfied. Okay. Each request is satisfied by a single node. Each request is satisfied by a single node. That is called as what? Single node or single machine. That is nothing but called as what? Shared nothing architecture. Okay. So basically, this is, the intention of this kind of thing is to eliminate the that is contention among the nodes, you can say contention among, to eliminate the contention among the nodes.
So basically the parallel processing is termed as shared nothing.
Yes. Okay, so that's the thing, we have it. So okay guys, so let us okay, so let us go ahead now, and now let's try with this. Sorry. So let's start with the, now first of all, to begin with guys, what we have to do, just go and open a browser. Everyone, I'm sharing the screen now, please all of you have it properly. I'm sharing the screen guys, everyone, I'm sharing the screen now. Just go to the Google, all of you open your Google. Just a minute. Go to the Google. Now guys, go to the Google, and once you've been to the Google, google.com. Now guys, here type as, everyone is able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So type here as Snowflake free trial account. Snowflake free trial account. Click on this guys, sign up. Okay guys, everyone, 30 days of Snowflake free trial account. Start your Snowflake 30 days free trial account, basically which does not, guys, basically which does not charge you anything. It is free, totally free. Okay, you can give your name here. So I am giving a name guys, I'm giving a name here, some name as what, clouds as a name. I'm using Samir, some cloud is Samir. Okay, and email ID, I wanted to use some email ID here. Okay, so just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Now, guys, I have this. Can you see it? I'm having this mail ID. So Cloud Samir ADF. So I'm using this mail ID. All of you. So just open this. So guys, I'm using this mail ID. Now just go here. So what is it? Clouds. All of you are you able to see the screen, guys? Everyone? Snowflake screen, everyone is able to see?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Cloud Samir ADF. Okay, guys. @gmail.com. This is the thing you have. That is any mail ID, your mail ID. Company, anything you can give it, ABC, etc., etc. Role and all these are optionals. Okay, so you can say whatever you consultant, whatever you want. Okay, guys. Now the next one is, after this, simply click on continue, guys. Now it will ask you which one you wanted to create it, guys. Whether you wanted to go with the standard version, or you wanted to go with the enterprise version, or you want to go with the business critical. So I wanted to go here, everyone. I wanted to go here, guys, everyone. I wanted to go with the enterprise. And for what you're using, you want to use it on Amazon, you want to use in GCP, or you want to use in Azure cloud? Tell me, guys.
Azure.
So click on the Azure.
So this is useful for all the cloud.
Tell me, ma.
This can be used in other cloud.
As well. You can use it in other clouds as well. So, but at the time of, suppose you have created an account, and this account, at the time of creation, you are saying that you wanted to use it for Azure. So you can just use the cloud provider. But that cloud provider, anyways, we can also choose change it. That's not a problem. So suppose currently you're using Azure. Later on, you want to shift it to the GCP, Google Cloud Platform. You can do that also. Okay. So anyways, you have the Azure, Microsoft Azure. Click on this button called check and get started, everyone. Okay, ma. So now, guys, can you see here? Where are you signing up for? Why are you okay? Why are you signing up for a trial? So anything you can give it, no problem. Explore product, evaluate for specific use, training and certification, etc. Click on continue. Anything you can do it, guys. No problem. Continue. Now, guys, select your preferred language. So I want SQL, Scala, okay, and submit. Anyways, guys, signed in. Can see an email to activate your account has been sent to Cloud Samir ADF at Gmail. So just go here. I got some email here. All of you got my I got some email or not? Everyone.
Yeah.
Open this. This is the way to activate my account, guys. Click on this. Click to activate. So give the name with this name only. Every time you have to log in, guys. So I'm using Cloud Samir. Password, I'm giving it a password, simple password. Get started. Guys, everyone get started. You want to save it? Yes, I want to save it here. That's it, guys. Can you see here, all of you? This is the Snowflake account. Clear, all of you? But now, guys, can you see it? This is this one you have it profile one. So guys, go to the profile, and I wanted to see here default experience is a Snowflake classic UI. Select the classic UI, click on the save. Profile is saved. Classic UI means you'll have a good windowing environment there, so that's the reason. So guys, let's do one thing now. Like try to sign it out once more and try to sign in. Sign in again. Select it. Cloud Samir. Yeah, that's it. Click on the sign in. That's the reason why I have saved it. Okay, guys. So I wanna see here. This is also not this one classic console. Just a minute. Go to the profile. Yeah, classic console. Okay, anyways, so no issues. So you have this. Okay, so let's click on this. Just try to, but even so it's giving you the documentation if you want. All the documentation is here. So guys, just a minute. Let us just check one thing here. Now, what is that you have to do? Click on the worksheets. Can you see here? You want to write the code here, all the codes. Click on this worksheets, click on the new. Can you see here? A new worksheet is ready here. Now you can type your own worksheets, guys. You can prepare your own worksheets. Okay. Okay. That means here. Okay. So all the things you can just go ahead and do it. So what is it? You have it, account admin. So you can select the account admin. These are all the super users, account admin and security admin, system admin. Okay, these are all the super users you have it. Okay, guys. So that's it now. So let us start with the things. If you want to write the code here, you can write it. So now, guys, I'm writing up the code here. So now I'm writing create. All of you just can see here. Database. Create a database. Okay, create a database. I'm using a database name as sales. I want to create the database with a name called sales, guys, and just run this. Can you see here? You have an option here to run this. Can you see here? Run this. It is executed. The command is executed, guys. Database created successfully. Now you want to use it. So use, guys, use database or use sales, you can say. Run this, same way to execute it. Got it now? Command executed successfully. Now, guys, you can create your own tables here. Okay. Sorry. Now, guys, you can create your own table. Okay. So now, guys, again, select it here. Okay. Now you can write your own commands. So now I'll create a table now. That means, can you see here? Go here to the databases. Check here, the database is created. This is the default database. What's it? Snowflake is the default database. Can you see here? You have all objects. See, refresh it once. Sales database is created or not, everyone? Yes, guys?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the same database, the database is available. Now create the table as it is. Okay, how to create it? So use what's that? Create table. So create a table. What's that I want? Very simple query. Okay. So I'm using what's that? Create a table. Okay, guys. Or else you can use a use database also. If it is supporting use database. Okay. Use database means what? Use database is sales. I'm using it. Okay. So use it. That means from now onwards, guys, what happens is, if from now onwards, if at all we use database, from now onwards, whatever the table you created, by default, it will go and store in the sales database. It will go and store in what is that? Sales database. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So now, guys, what is it? We can do it here is. Okay, guys. So now can you see it? Now, okay. So I'm using it, use database as the sales. And now, guys, okay, before create a table, guys, we can also create a schema. So what do you mean schema, guys? Schema is nothing but default schema is here. Information schema is the by default, but I want to create my own schema. So for that, schema is a type of a structure. So I'm just using create, guys, schema. So I want the schema.
Schema is like users, right?
Pardon me.
Schema is like creating users.
Yes, yes. So now, guys, create the schema. So I'm using the schema as product. The schema name is what? Product. So now, guys, I'm using the product as the schema, and now run this. Okay, run this again. So now see, the schema is created. Now, guys, then after this, yeah.
Yeah, in Databricks, the schema and database both are same.
Yes, in Databricks both are same.
Okay.
In Databricks both are same. Database and schemas are same. Databricks. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, what is it? You have it. So select it here. Use. Okay, guys. Use schema. Use schema product. Use schema product. Okay, guys. Select it here. Now run this, guys. Okay. Then afterwards, can you see here? Can you see here? So guys, one more way is what? Use the control enter. Use the control enter. If you don't want to execute it manually like this, by selecting this button, use the control enter. Okay. So now, guys, that's it. So apart from this, now I'm creating a table, guys. All of you just have a look here. Now create a table. Let's create a table. What is it I wanted? I want employees, some table, employees. Okay, create table employees, and then I want something here. Okay, what is that? EMPNO, employee number. EMPNO, that is employee number, guys. Then I'm using this data type. What is the data type? Integer. INT is the data type. There's the integer, and then I have the another one as what? Name. And then what is it? You have it varchar. Varchar 20. Then what is it? You have it salary. Salary. And again, the salary, I wanted to give the data type as what? Decimal. Salary as a decimal. And then I want to use it as what? 7,2. Then afterwards, what do you have it? Guys, department number. And then I want here as what? Integer. INT, this integer as a data type of it. Okay. Yes, guys, everyone. And now finally use the semicolon. So this is the structure of the table. I'm creating it. Now I wanted to enter the rows into this. For that, I'm using what's that? Insert into, guys, employees. Insert into employees value. Guys, use it values, and then use 7001. Then use what's it? Comma, and now use Alan Smith. Sorry. Alan Smith, guys. Then we have a comma, and then use what's it? Salary as some 45,000. Then again use it as what? 10 as a department number. Everyone, okay. And then I'm using the second row here, guys. 7002, some second row. 7002, comma, guys. Again, I have what is it? Nancy. Sorry. Jones. Use it as 55,000, comma 20. 7003. All of you, are you following it, guys? What I'm doing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And I'm using Carl Robert.
Each set of values should be
Brackets,
within brackets, right?
Brackets, comma.
Right.
7 not 2. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll give you. Don't worry. The brackets, na? So no problem. So I'll just use it here, comma, and then bracket, comma. Okay, some 75,000, comma 30. That's it, guys. So select it here, and now use a semicolon. That's it. Now select it. Now to display the data, what is it you have to use? Tell me now. Select the star from table name. Okay. So now, guys, select the star from. Select star from table name. What's the table name you have it, guys? Tell me now. Employees. So let us try to. All of you can see here. I have created the database, so I have not created the schema. So run all one after the other. Control Enter. Product use. Control Enter. Done. Create, insert. Control Enter. What is it says? Can you see? Error. Syntactical error. 7, comma 2, no? Salary, decimal spelling.
Spelling. MI is there. MI should be removed.
Okay, now? Now, guys, select it. Control Enter. What is it? Tell me now.
7002 comma should be there. And opening bracket is also not there for each row.
Yes. That's it now. So now, guys, let's try to run this. Already exists. Now it is done. So select a star from employees. No query, na? Let us run this. Insertion. We'll do it one more time. Control Enter. Alan Smith line valid. What is the problem? Values. Guys, what is the problem?
So instead of space, can we give underscore like that?
No. Okay. Instead of space, I'll make it here. But that should not be the problem. What
Not possible. I mean, I need space there in varchar column, right?
That is not the issue, basically.
Single quotes or double quotes?
The single quotes, I guess.
I think so. Single quote. Let's use a single quote. That's the only thing. Now you got it, guys. Now it's fine, I think so. Control Enter. No active warehouse. So now, guys, we have to create a warehouse. So for that, can you see it? Just click on this. And now you have to create a data warehouse also. Okay, guys. So or else directly you can, if you're writing it using command. So create, you can also create a data warehouse, because without the data warehouse it does not run. So create, what is that, data warehouse.
Here, warehouse.
Okay, or else we can use the warehouse directly. Create the warehouse. Yes guys, warehouse. What is the warehouse I wanted to use? Just select it here and run this particular point. Control enter. So see here, what does it says?
No,
Create warehouse
name we have
name.
to give.
Name you have not used now. Create a warehouse. I will make it as what? ABC. I want to give the name as what, guys? ABC. So select this one. Control enter. Fine. Now use this. Use ABC. I think so. Okay. Control enter. Object does not exist. So because of this, I think
Warehouse.
use warehouse. Use warehouse ABC. Okay. Control enter. Fine now. Now create it, guys. Now you'll get it. Warehouse means without the
Don't
data
we have
warehouse.
to create the table within that?
I
mean, don't we have to create the table there?
Table is already there. Table is already there. To run this, insert the command, it's asking for warehouse. Can you see here, guys? Got the rows? All of you? Yes, everyone got the rows?
Yes.
So now, guys, go here, check, refresh it once here. Refresh it once. Refresh it once. Now, guys, go to the sales. Can you see? Open the sales. Under this, you have public product as a schema. Open this. Under this product, you have a table. What is the table you have it, guys? Employees. Am I right, guys? Yeah, clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can make out. Okay. So anyways, this is basically a type of console here. That console is called as the the Snowflake console. You have it. Where I want to just change it. I'm trying it. I'll get it anyway. So now you have to change this to the classic UI. So it is no site as a default. It's making of. But I want to make this one as the default anyways. Okay, it's not accepting it as a default. So allow. Now save it. Now the profile is saved. Actually, previously we used to get message here, classic console, because that is more user friendly than the existing one you have it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so all of you just try out here till here, and rest of the process we'll just see tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll have the class base. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So just we'll have the class tomorrow. Can you see it? This is the worksheet what you have created. Okay, guys. So just try to have it because now what we will do is using this, we will try to get the data into this Azure, and again we'll write the data into this particular Snowflake. That is the thing we are going to do tomorrow. Okay, that's it. So try to make out this one, guys. That's it. I'm ending the class here. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you, sir.